Welcome to Flip Classroom. Today I'm going to review how to cite articles from a database. You will start with the author's last name, comma, first name. Then in quotation marks, you will have the article's title. Make sure the period is inside the quotation marks. Then you will italicize the name of the journal, followed by the volume, the number, the year, and the page number with a period. Next comes the name of the database. In this case, the database was JSTOR. You may also have used CQ Researcher or Gale Opposing Viewpoints. And at the end, it's followed by the URL, or in other cases, you are allowed to use the Digital Object Identifier, the DOI. One of the common problems I've been seeing is the name of the database. Whenever you have confusion on any type of source, use the template. If your source has no author, or no version, or no contributors, just leave it out. It would be blank. Many of your journal articles will not have other contributors. On the MLA 8 template, period, comma, 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 comma. Notice each of these means something very specific. Just like when it says to italicize the font, it means something very specific. So follow the template very closely when using MLA 8 format. I quickly want to take a look at the names of the different databases. I want to take you over to let's quickly take a look at the most common ones. You would click on database. The most popular one is Academic Search Complete. Some of you have been using Google Scholar. Gale Virtual Reference Library, another really good one. CQ Researcher, another great one. But once again, Academic Search Ultimate is probably one of the most common ones you used. Let's say you were doing the issue of racism, and you picked this academic journal, and you used the citation tool. You scrolled down to MLA. You can see you have the author and et al. Because there's more than 3 authors. In quotation marks, you have the article title. You have the name of the journal italicized, the volume number, the volume, the number, the date, the page, and here EBSCOhost, that's another name for Academic Search Complete, and they give you the DOI instead of the URL, which is perfectly okay. These are not always perfect. It even warns you, pay special attention to personal names, capitalization, and dates. Always consult an MLA 8 guide. So no matter which database you did use, please make sure you follow MLA 8 format. For questions, in addition to contacting me, the librarians are specialists as well as the tutoring center. So reach out for assistance. We are here to help you. Thank you for joining me today in Flip Classroom.